Today we present to you our new product, Magic Metal Drops. It is a special alloy, a thread locker for spear tips. Magic Metal Drops are a strong, easily meltable and non-toxic alloy. When threading a conventional spear tip on a spear shaft, the following problems occur. The flag itself is rarely in the desired position, often sideways relative to the shark fin file. Even when the spear tip is screwed on tightly, it still wobbles slightly, and when hitting a rock, it often comes loose. A tightly wound spear tip often points slightly to the side, resulting in the deflection of the spear shaft in this direction when shot. The pros of using a threadable spear tip include the fact that you can use different spear tips with the same spear shaft, a single or trident. Moreover, if it gets damaged, you can replace solely the spear tip. You don't have to replace the whole spear shaft. This plays a big role for our Superspearshafts. Our Superspearshafts are firmer and more durable than most spear shafts. With a normal spear shaft, bending is possible, while the Superspearshaft is virtually unbendable. Our Superspearshafts are heavier than lead, and the effective range of any spear gun up to doubles with the 3S spear shaft instead of the standard one. Furthermore, the alloys out of which the Superspearshaft is manufactured are firmer and more durable, and the spear tips are made of the same heavy and durable alloys. So both the spear shaft and the spear tips are much more expensive than normal steel counterparts, and if the spear tip is damaged, it would be a pain to lose the whole spear shaft. So, how our Magic Metal Drops work? We take the spear tip, we take the Magic Metal Drops, then we put the Magic Metal Drops in the hole on the spear tip. Usually about 3 to 4 drops are enough, depending on the size of the spear tip and the quality of the thread on the spear shaft. We take the spear shaft and spear tip together, place them like this, and start heating. Usually I use heaters like this one. They are available in almost every tourist shop. But a regular lighter is also enough for the job. Since such heaters are a bit more powerful, I will be using one today. So, we're heating the threaded end of the spear shaft and the threaded end of the spear shaft head. The melting point of our Magic Metal Drops is only slightly higher than the boiling point of water, so 30 seconds is usually enough to heat it with a regular lighter. Now we thread the spear shaft from the top into the spear tip. The spear shaft reaches the liquid Magic Metal Drops, and you can see that the Magic Metal droplets are being forced out of the opening. That's okay, they'll fall on the table and they won't burn anything and can be used again. Now we need to let the Magic Metal Drops solidify in the thread. Usually a few minutes is enough, but to speed up the process, we'll cool the joint in water. Now the connection is strong. It will not twist when hitting stones, and the flag is located exactly in the plane of the shark fins. The spear tip does not twist, even with huge amounts of force. It is fixed precisely and evenly. The result is a perfectly straight spear shaft with the spear tip. If the spear tip is damaged, it can easily be replaced. Simply wipe off the water, take the lighter, and heat the connection point. Now, the spear tip can be easily unscrewed by hand. When reusing the spear tip and the Magic Metal Drops, it is enough to add one more drop or simply add the droplets that were squeezed out during the screwing of the spear tip. The spear tip with the Magic Metal Drops can be screwed on and off repeatedly.